Hey everyone, let's compare internal combustion engine powertrains with the electric powertrains across several key areas. In terms of energy source, ICE or internal combustion engine powertrains rely on gasoline or diesel fuel, whereas electrical powertrains are powered by electric energy stored in batteries. When it comes to efficiency, ICE engines operate at around 20 to 30%, while electric powertrains are much more efficient, typically reaching 70 to 90%. Regarding emissions, ICE engines or powertrains produce greenhouse gases and pollutants, while electric powertrains have zero tailpipe emissions. In terms of maintenance, ICE vehicles require regular upkeep, such as oil changes, while electric vehicles have fewer moving parts and thus lower maintenance needs. For range, ICE vehicles generally offer a longer range for fuel refueling, around 300 to 500 miles, compared to the electric vehicles, which is typically ranging between 100 to 300 miles, though this is improving. On the topic of refueling or charging time, ICE vehicle refuel quickly within 5 to 10 minutes, while electric vehicle can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to charge. The driving experience is also different. ICE vehicles provide traditional feel with gear shifts, while electric vehicles offer smoother, quieter operation with instant torque. When it comes to the infrastructure, ICE vehicles benefit from extensive refueling network, while electric vehicles are supported by a rapidly growing charging infrastructure. In summary, ICE powertrains have advantages of established technology, longer range, but come with higher emissions and maintenance needs. Electric powertrains, on the other hand, offer zero emissions, instant torque, lower maintenance, but have a higher initial cost and more limited range, though that gap is closing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive insights. Let us know in the comments if you have questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you next time.